Welcome back to the Car Analyst, the channel where we break down cars the way real buyers want, with clarity, honesty, and zero hype confusion. If you love luxury SUVs, performance hybrids, and future-ready tech, you are in the right place. Today's video is big because BMW has officially unveiled the next-generation BMW XM for 2027. And this is not just a facelift, it is a serious evolution. Stay till the end because I'll clearly tell you whether this SUV actually deserves your money or if you should wait or skip it entirely. Let's start with what makes the 2026-27 BMW XM special. BMW is positioning this as its most advanced luxury performance SUV yet, blending extreme power, electrification, and high-end comfort. The new XM continues to be BMW M's flagship SUV, but now it feels more refined, more efficient, and more future-focused. Design-wise, BMW has toned things down slightly while still keeping the XM bold. The kidney grille is still massive, but it now integrates adaptive lighting elements with smarter illumination patterns. The front looks cleaner, sharper, and more premium than before. The split headlamp setup is redesigned, giving better visibility and a more aggressive stance. From the side, the SUV looks muscular with smoother body lines, flush door handles, and improved aerodynamics. At the rear, slimmer LED tail lights, a revised diffuser, and quad exhausts remind you this is still an M beast. Step inside, and this is where the XM truly levels up. BMW has completely refreshed the cabin experience. You get the new curved panoramic display running the latest iDrive 9 system, which is faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Voice commands are more natural, gesture controls are improved, and over-the-air updates are now standard. The interior materials feel ultra-premium, with sustainable leather alternatives, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and customizable ambient lighting that transforms the cabin at night. The XM still focuses on luxury over third-row practicality, but the second row now feels more lounge-like with better cushioning, optional massage seats, and enhanced sound insulation. The Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system has been upgraded for deeper bass and clearer highs, making it one of the best audio systems in any SUV today. Now let's talk performance, because this is where BMW M fans are really paying attention. The 2026-27 BMW XM continues with a plug-in hybrid setup, but it's more advanced than before. The V8 engine is refined for better efficiency, paired with a stronger electric motor. Combined output is expected to cross 750 horsepower in higher trims, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in the world. Acceleration is brutal, with 0-100 km/h coming in around 3.5 seconds. The electric-only range has improved significantly. BMW has optimized the battery system, allowing around 80 to 90 kilometers of pure electric driving, which means daily city use can be almost fuel-free. Charging is faster now, with improved DC fast charging support, making it more practical for real-world use. Adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, and intelligent xDrive make this heavy SUV feel surprisingly agile. You can drive it comfortably in luxury mode or unleash its full aggression in sport mode, and the transition feels smoother than ever. Safety and driver assistance features are top tier. The new XM comes loaded with Level 2 plus autonomous driving capabilities. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, traffic jam assist, automatic lane changes, 360-degree cameras, night vision, and advanced collision avoidance systems are all part of the package. BMW has clearly focused on making this SUV not just fast, but smart and safe. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where many people pause. The expected global starting price for the 2026-27 BMW XM is around $165,000, with fully loaded versions easily crossing $185,000. In markets like India or Europe, prices will vary significantly due to taxes, but it will sit well above most luxury SUVs. Compared to rivals, the XM competes with the Lamborghini Urus, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, e-Hybrid, and Range Rover SV. Urus offers raw drama and brand prestige, but lacks electrification. The Cayenne is more driver-focused but less visually bold. The Range Rover SV delivers unmatched luxury, but cannot match the XM's performance. In terms of tech, power and hybrid capability, the XM actually offers a strong value proposition for its segment. Ownership cost is something you must consider seriously. Insurance will be expensive, maintenance costs are high, and hybrid components add complexity. Low end. BMW's improved service packages, extended warranties, and better battery durability help reduce long-term risk. Fuel costs are lower than a pure V8 SUV if you use the electric range wisely, but this is still not a budget-friendly vehicle by any means. Now let's break down the pros. You get insane performance with hybrid efficiency. The interior is ultra-luxurious and tech-packed. Electric-only driving adds practicality. Road presence is massive. Ride comfort is surprisingly good for an MSUV, BM. And you're getting BMW's most advanced technology in one package. On the downside, the design is still not for everyone. It's very expensive. Third-row seating is not available. Maintenance and repair costs can be intimidating. And if you want something subtle, this is definitely not it. So the big question, should you buy the 2026-27 BMW XM? If you want a high-performance luxury SUV that blends power, electrification, technology, and exclusivity, the answer is yes. This is for buyers who want something bold, futuristic, and emotionally engaging. However, if you prioritize practicality, low ownership costs, or understated design, you might be better off looking at alternatives. My recommendation is clear. Buy it if you want one of the most advanced and powerful luxury SUVs of the next generation and can comfortably afford it. Wait or skip if you're looking for value or simplicity. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is the Car Analyst, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.